Hi mga beshi! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's vlog, I'll be sharing what was my very first job here in UAE. So, kung curious kayo sa journey ko, keep on watching. So, ayun na nga, ang first job ko po dito sa UAE ay bilang sales associate sa isang cosmetics company. Yes, makeup and skincare. So, yung store namin actually is located siya sa Queen. So, Queen is isa po siya sa mga Emirates dito sa UAE. So, for your information, UAE, United Arab Emirates, has 7 Emirates. Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Queen, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. So, and guess what? Queen is the least populated emirate. So, sobrang tahimik, sobrang payapa, at malapit lang kami sa beach. Kaya, after work nun or during free time, beach time kami agad. So, ayun. So, as a sales associate, ang main duty ko po syempre is assisting customers where we are selling actually a branded makeup and skincare products. So may physical store kami at may online shop din. So ganito yung daily routine namin. So from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. sa online muna kami. Checking of orders, tawag sa customers para i-confirm yung kanilang order and inform sila sa delivery schedule, and kapag confirm na yon, ipapack na namin yung items. And 10 a.m. onwards, store open na. I-open na namin yung store. So, ang store hours namin, if I'm not mistaken, is from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pero may 2 shifts kami. So, may morning shift. Yung morning shift is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And yung night shift is from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, habang wala pa yung night shift, kami na rin sa morning shift ang nag-a-assist sa customers sa store habang wala pa sila, yung from 10 to 1, ganun. So, by the way, ano pala, yung 2 days off lang kami per month. Yes, di ka nagkakamali ng dinig, 2 days lang. At kahit holiday, open pa rin yung store. So, ganun talaga pag retail life. But, okay naman yung work experience ko. Yung accommodation, walking distance lang siya dun sa store. As in, super lapit lang talaga. At sagot din yun ng company. So, very thankful ako actually and blessed sa first job ko dito sa UAE. I stayed there for, if I'm not mistaken, 1 year and 2 months. And after that, lumipat na ako ng ibang company. Pero yung kwento na yon sa next vlog na natin yon. And so, ayun guys, I hope you enjoyed the short kwento about my first ever job here in UAE. So, if you're an OFW too, comment down below kung ano ang una nyong naging trabaho abroad. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, ganyan, para updated kayo sa next part ng story ko. Bye for now and see you sa next vlog. Bye!